Shark Shark, hey, this is Coach Moore from the great state of New York. I am putting out a call because we need referral partners. As well as we've been doing these last few years, we just can't reach everyone. But you know the people are out there who are in need of help. In these crazy times, especially recovering from COVID, people's credit has really taken a big hit. We got to be in a position where we can offer a long-term solution. Everyone wants a quick, fast, and a hurry, but as you heard me say before, fast don't last, slow is for show. We have a coaching program that can actually identify the items that are keeping their scores down and give them the solutions so they can keep their scores rising up and never go down before. Let me show you some information about how the referral program works. For every person that you refer to us, we're going to pay you 25% of the enrollment fee. That's $125 per person. Hey, start doing the math. You could actually start earning some extra money. What if you refer 3 or 4 or 5 people every week to us? Hey, this is the monies that you can actually earn just by referring. And so we have a referral form. What you have to do is go to that site listed below, and you definitely can start referring people to us. But one of the key things is that we're hope to be working with you. All right, good stuff. If you think that actually works for you, then come on over and join the team. There's a link below where you can actually get some more information. We're going to give you your own portal so you can actually track your own progress. We're going to give all your customers a customer portal so they can track their progress. And so it's going to be a win-win situation. So if you think you're interested, look at the information below, fill it out. I will then send you an affiliate invitation link, and then let's get this party started. Let's help people get the credit they truly deserve. Shark, shark.